Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud, and today we are talking about an ultra premium design led luxury residential project in Bangalore. The name of this project is Phoenix Kesaku, located in Rajajinagar. In today's video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. But let's start with a quick overview of the project. So this is not your typical luxury project. Phoenix Kesaku is inspired by Japanese architectural principles focusing on simplicity, balance, and harmony. The project is part of 17-acre development shared with One Bangalore West, and it features a single exclusive tower divided into total 5 unique blocks: Zephyr, Fayaya, Mizu, Niva, and Sora. And it has 3 basements, a grand ground level lounge, and 30 floors. And the homes here are ready to move in with a full customization flexibility. So you are not just buying a home, you are designing your own luxury space. The project is also low density, ensuring high privacy, and comes with a premium smart home features and high-end specification. And now let's talk about the location. So Phoenix Kesaku is located in Rajajinagar, which is one of the Bangalore's most well-developed and well-connected area. You are just 2 minutes from Orion Mall and World Trade Center, 2 minutes from the nearest metro station, 5 minutes from top school hospitals like Columbia Asia and Manipal, 5 minutes from Yashwantpur Junction, and around 20 minutes from MG Road. And coming to a lifestyle and amenities part, so this is where the project really stands out. You get access to multiple themed luxury clubs. First is Phoenix Club 1, which is massive 1 lakh square feet clubhouse. It includes fine dining, a doctor's clinic, supermarket, bowling alley, and indoor sports like tennis, squash, and badminton. Then you have K's The Sky Club, with a 360-degree rooftop jogging track, a temperature-controlled infinity pool, and sky spa spaces. There is also a Midori The Garden Club, which offers a zen courtyard, landscape green, outdoor pool deck, mini theatre, and beautifully designed art-inspired lobbies. And on top of that, you also get concierge services, which means personalized luxury services for residents. So overall, this is not just about amenities, it's a complete luxury lifestyle ecosystem. And now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the project offers extremely spacious residences. The 4 BHK units ranging from 3497 to 4053 square feet, starting at around 12.5 crore rupees onwards. The 5 BHK units from 6643 to 7778 square feet, starting at around 22 crore rupees. And the 5 plus BHK residences going up to 8000 square feet and starting around 23 crore rupees onwards. And these homes come with a large living area, high ceiling, premium finishes, and full customization option. And finally, coming to the booking process, since units in Fayaya and Zephyr towers are ready for fit outs, buyers are encouraged to visit the site and experience the apartment firsthand. Flexible payment plans are also available right now, so if you are looking for an ultra luxury, design centric, and fully customizable home in Bangalore, then Phoenix Kesaku is definitely a standout option. For brochure, pricing details, or to schedule a private site visit, check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium luxury property videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a prop tech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.